The world's largest waterfall isn't on land, it's underwater. And it's 35 times taller than Angel Falls. Here's how it works. Between Greenland and Iceland lies the Denmark Strait. On the surface, it looks like any other stretch of ocean. But below, a massive cascade drops 3,500 meters. Cold, dense Arctic water flows south. Warmer Atlantic water flows north. When they meet, the cold water plunges beneath the warm, creating an underwater waterfall. It moves 5 million cubic meters of water every second. You can't see it, you can't hear it. But this hidden cascade drives Earth's ocean currents and helps regulate our planet's climate. Follow for more unbelievable geography.